Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the system image matches the Windows build you intend to restore, because mismatched images cause driver and activation failures. Once done, attach the external drive or ensure network access and verify the image file size and checksum to detect corruption. Now reboot into the Windows recovery environment using installation media or advanced startup. You must choose Repair Your Computer. This initial sequence ensures the recovery tools can see the image and prevents wasted. In the recovery menu, select System Image Recovery so you can pick the image and target disk. You do this because an exact disk mapping avoids restoring to the wrong partition. After choosing the image, make sure the target disk is identified correctly and map network locations if needed. Then set options, choose Format and Repartition when replacing a failed drive, or skip those to preserve extra volumes. These choices determine whether the process overwrites partition tables or only updates system files. Begin the restore and monitor the progress bar. You should let the process finish uninterrupted because interruptions corrupt the restore. Once complete, the system will reboot. Make sure it tries to boot from the restored disk. If Windows does not start, run Startup Repair and use command-line bootrec tools to rebuild the boot configuration because missing BCD entries are a common post-restore issue. If the image was unreadable, recheck the drive connection and checksum, and try mounting the image on another machine to validate it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.